Hi, I'm Lisa with Relaxed Mormon Homeschool, and I wanted to do a video about decluttering for large homeschool families. So here it is. This is the before. So right here we have empty boxes and paper bin to go through. We have some empty boxes, some full, and binders, then games. And here we have books. Then we have art things, exercise bike, homeschool cupboard number 1, homeschool cupboard number 2, homeschool cupboard number 3, homeschool cupboard number 4, a whiteboard and some organization stuff, calendar, old computer area. We've got trash and an organizer with Kleenexes on top and messy desk with a computer on it. Then here we've got a very messy table of homeschooling, which has a collection of things from the last 2 weeks, which we have just stacked here while we've been wrapping Christmas gifts and preparing for Christmas and doing Christmas. And a lot of these things do not even belong in the homeschool room, believe it or not. And we've got papers on the floor that are messy. And we're going to clean all of this up for you. Thank you.